Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, and it's about 8:45 in the morning. On my way to pick up a shipped order. I do have a couple of orders that I claimed for this morning. It's from 9 to 10, and the other one is from 11 to 12. So we'll see what this shipped orders, will take us today. Okay, now I have arrived at the store at the Kroger's, and all I have to do is just go and lined up on one of these pickup lanes over here, call that number, and then let them know that I'm here to pick up an order from Shipt. Well, believe it or not, I've been waiting here for about 15 minutes. One of the attendants just came to tell me, "Oh, are you waiting for an order?" And I'm like, "Yes, I've called about 15 minutes ago. They said there was just one more person in front of me, and you guys already served 3 persons, and I'm still here." So, but anyway, I'm still on my window, so I don't think it should be any problem if they just come like right away, and then I can go ahead and pick up my groceries. Okay, I'm hoping this is my order right here, so let's see.
Hi, I'm so sorry. You're I do have the item. So I apologize for the long wait.
Okay,
So it only has like 2 paper towels and then 1 bag.
paper towel.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
And there's another one. What else?
Like 1 bag. Right here.
All right,
Thank you so much,
thank
ma'am. I
you.
apologize one more time.
No problem, thank you.
Thank you for your patience.
All right, bye-bye.
Have a wonderful day.
Well, that was quick. 2 rolls of paper towels and 1 bag of milk. Let's go. So I am driving to my destination to go pick up my last order for the day, and I wonder what the temperature is like. Let's see. It's 93, and but the heat index must be like 100 because it is really, really hot. All right, got my second order. It's only 5 minutes from here. I have a lot of cat stuff, bird food, and some groceries. So this is not too far, and it's also a delivery order. So, whew, okay, that was a workout right there. I mean, I was dripping in sweat. Okay, so just finished those two orders. Now let's see how did we do today. Okay, so there were 2 orders for today, and each one paid $8. There was no tip in the order, but as soon as I finished that order, well, guess what? I found this little envelope, and lady left me $5, so I am blessed. So let's see what else we're gonna do this afternoon. Okay, as I was looking over here, let me show you what I did really quick. I was able to claim another order, and this order, the window is from 2 to 3, so it's a delivery only, and I gotta be there at 1:45, so it's almost 12. So let's see what I'm gonna do during that time. Now I thought about also doing some point pickup orders, because they're like 4 right now. And as you can see, there's 1, there's 2, One pays $9.17, $11.54, $9.77, and $9.17. But I'm not gonna do those because I will not have time to go ahead and do these orders. You know, to come back and do this order, I have to pick it up at 1:45. So I'm still thinking, but I don't think that's going to happen because I may not have enough time. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and see what Uber has right now. It is lunchtime, so let's see. No notifications. So I'm gonna sign in because I am offline, unable to go online. Okay, unable. Now let's see. I think there may be a glitch right now. Because it's not like Uber not to really have anything. And I see the promotions right there tonight. But I wonder if there's no orders or something. I don't know what that's all about. Let's see. Unable to go online. So there's probably a glitch on the Uber app. So can go online. So never mind there. So what I'm gonna show you in the meantime, I wanted to do an Uber order. I got 2 little bottles right here. This one right here is my hand sanitizer that I'm always have it handy. It got really warm and I don't want that. I usually have it like on my purse, but this is my hand sanitizer spray. I just get, you know, any hand sanitizer from the store, and then I just put it in this little bottle. And then, as you can see, this is just a clear bottle. Now I have another bottle, and this one right here is my spray water because it is hot. I'm telling you, the temperature must be already like probably in the 90s, but the heat index is probably like really, it's really hot. As I was doing the order with the bird stuff and everything, my sweat was pouring down my eyes. So having some water, fresh water in a little spray bottle helps. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray all over because I was really sweating. Okay, so that's that. But I like that with Shipt we're able to get orders. You can schedule yourself, or you can also go ahead and, you know, just grab an order, whatever it's online. Let me show you really quick if I'm able. Let's try this one more time as we are waiting. Okay, let's go to the Shipt. So this is the Shipt app right here, and it looks like this. You know, having 4.0 stars, I mean that you're on time and it's good rating, and people, you know, your stats are really good. Average 4.0, on time percentage, acceptance rate 100. Same thing last 10 days. And you know, I'm new on Shipt, but I still have on time percentage. I started probably last week, so I have, that's really good. Let's see what else I can show you. So you are able to schedule your orders whichever, you know, time, what is it called, shift they have. So you can order your, you know, yourself from 1 up to 11 to 12. So as you can see, and you can, you know, schedule yourself for Friday, for Saturday, for Sunday, so whichever one you want. But today is Thursday, so I didn't schedule myself today. No, I did not today. All I did is went to available orders, and there's usually plenty of orders there for different parts of the area in Houston, Galveston, Pearland, Missouri City, Sugar Land, and you're able to pick from there. So let's say you wanted to pick something on I don't know, Houston Northwest. Let's pick that one right there. So when you pick it up, it tells you their orders from Party City, believe it or not. So people, and this is a delivery only, but I'm not on that side of town. And this one, it's for July 18th from 9 to 10. So I could probably get there, you know, if I wanted to be on that side of town. And it tells you right here also where is it, you know, how far you need to go from there. So the Party City is right there where the little house is, and you will be traveling all the way over there. I do not believe, it just tells you that it's going to take you like 35 minutes because it is a delivery order. So that means that all you have to do is just go out there. On the instructions, they might tell you what do you need to do. Okay, no, it's telling me just to view the map. But you may have to go to the store and just grab whatever that is from Party City, or you may need to you know, just wait on the car, call them, and just pick it up and take it. So it's about 35-minute drive from there. So let's see. Let me show you another one. Where would that be? Let's see, Spring Bench Memorial Villages. So these are drop-off and early pickup. That means that that you will need to start shopping for your order early. Like if you need to deliver between 2 and 3, and then there's 23 items, so you need to know, and you can see also the list right here on preview list of what items this customer needs. Remember, it's at the top, you'll see on bold letters 23 total items, 15 unique products, and 7 categories. So it tells you, you know, what the customer needs for that order, and then if you want that order, and then you can claim it. And it tells you that from the time it's going to take you 58 minutes from shopping to delivering the order. But if you don't know the store, and if you don't know where things are, and then what you'll need to do, if you need to be heading towards the person's house by 2 and to deliver before 3, so you need to stop either shopping by 1, or, you know, because it takes 53 minutes, or you can either say, you know, 12:30 or 12:45 if you don't know the store. So just, you know, take some time. Same thing over here, there's drop-off items. That's all it means, that you have to go shop. Prepaid items drop off, you have to go shopping. Drop off early, okay, you gotta go shop those orders. HEB delivery only, you just have to park by the curbside and then call the number there, tell them where you are, and then from there you can pick up that order. And it tells you that the estimated time, it'll be 31 minutes from the store to the place for the people live. So those are the orders. Okay, while I'm waiting for my order, I wanted to show you also another little gig that I have, and this is called a solar charger right here. See, as you can see, the green light is charging with the sun, and that's what I have the phone that is recording right now. So I'll just put it right there, you know, right here on my seat or somewhere, and it will be charging. It's also a flashlight at night. It's got a flashlight and also has a compass on the back, as you can see. And of course you can order this through Amazon, but this is really good. That way I'm only using one my battery, my car battery, for one phone, but the other one, the one that is recording, is using the solar charger. So I think it's very convenient. Okay, so let's wait for my order. Okay, just finished picking up that order, so I really need to, after this, go home. Thanks for coming along today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you can be alerted whenever I post more videos about gigs on demand.